Hello, guys. Yeah, it's Fred from Swift Agents Trade. We're just going to be looking at Cadjpy. Love this pair so much. It's at an amazing vision right now over the weekend, and we're expecting some selling moves, this new week. Now, CAD happens to be a very strong currency, and it's going against one of the weakest currencies in the market currently, which is the JPY. So we're expecting a pullback to this very region marked out here. This region will act, as a support region to boost the momentum upwards, to give us our TP at 686.50, which is a very strong resistance area. When you go backwards, when you go to the monthly charts, or the weekly charts, you will find out that 86.50 is a very strong resistance area. So we're expecting a pullback, to this support, it went up and it hit it. It went up again, it came down, hit it, it went up again. We're expecting it to come back again, hit it, and give momentum to push up. While we're expecting that, you see, it's really at an overbought region and it has stayed there for a while. We're expecting a drop down a little bit, to gain momentum to push up again. If you check the COT, you will see that the card is really very strong. You see that the card is very strong. He added about 5,000 units, the long positions by the hedge funders. Then, those going short actually reduced their position. So you could also see that on net positions, he added about 6,000 units, which makes it a very strong, a very, very strong currency for the week. We'll be looking at card closely, very, very strong. This region actually could be our TP1. It could bypass that region, and move upwards. But we're going to exit our trades, from that region. Once it gives us this nice condition to enter that trade, we'll be entering those trades with our students and everyone that subscribes to our channels. We'll be entering those trades, for a nice long position, and that's it. So that's Cadjpy, our analysis on Cadjpy. Very simple, very straight to the point. You see that it's on a massive uptrend, and yes, we're expecting it to also continue to push up. So we're just waiting for a pullback. Normally, within the early days of the week, give us a nice pullback downwards here. Then we activate our trades, for an uptrend. Most times it doesn't really pull back to this particular region. Most times, it just wiggles around this region, and pushes up, and we'll let it go. So that's our analysis, for CAT JPY. We're expecting it to get to 86.47 areas, which is a very strong resistance area, for the Cadjpy. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this analysis, like, comment, follow us on our various social media handles, and we'll see you at the top. Let's go.